Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, alloy wheels, power mirrors, fog lights. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.